Guess where I am? I'm at the airport. I came to visit my girlfriend for the holidays and she decided to give me a great present. We are going to see something I missed on my journey in NTT. The first leg of our journey is taking us to Kupang because we're going from Kupang, we're going to visit Sabu Island, which I had planned to do, but I was skipped because I went straight from Kupang to Sumba. So I get to do things I missed on my way. Isn't that fantastic? Now I know this is not a motorcycle adventure, but it's part of my grand trip around Indonesia, so I thought I'd include this anyway. Thank you, my girlfriend. Here we are, we're ready to go. Heading off to Kupang. Wow, did we ever hit the ground running? As we got off the plane, we got swept away by our guide and taken straight to this place, which is a place where they make and play the sasando. That's the local instrument from the island of Rote. And a lot of people from Rote now live in Kupang because it's only about 2 hours away from here. So yeah, we were treated to this fine gentleman playing the sasando. Pretty cool. So that musical instrument, the sasando, is such an intricate part of the culture that the governor had his office built in the shape of one of them. Now at Wenesu Waterfall. Apparently it's a very nice waterfall. It's about 15 kilometers away from Kupang. Ooh, is that a storm a-coming? Looks like it. Here we are. It's not Niagara Falls, but the fact that it's very quiet, there's nobody here right now, but it still looks lovely. Have a look. Well, here it is, our ship to Sabu Island from Kupang. Hopefully it won't be a stormy sea. Alright, let's get on. Hello. Hello. Hello.
Hi, how are you doing?
Oh, yeah. And here we go. Ooh, looks who's in here. And this is our little cabin. Whoa. Well, we're in here for about a night. We'll be arriving tomorrow around 7 or so, so not even 12 hours. All right. See you tomorrow. We are arriving at the harbor in Sabu Island. Who's getting her sea legs? Look at you. Look at you. Right now we're at Goa Mabala. It's it's a cave. We're gonna go have a look and see what it looks like on the inside. This is truly amazing. We're literally going in the heart of this tree to go down a hole that'll take us to this cave. This is out of this world. Let's go have a look. Oh, look at this network of trees here. Look at all these branches. And we're going to be walking underneath here. This here is the... All right. So let's go back to the front and let's go down into the belly of the beast. Here we go, going in. We're like in the heart of the tree. This is truly amazing. Wow.
Back then, there's no stairs like this.
They have to go down, yeah?
Go down.
Got to this little place, Tebiraimea, and we're going to explore this little place there and see what's here. This is the village of Loborai. Context. These are about 100 years old. They use them to make salt. They get the seawater, put it in there, and then the sun evaporates the water, and they collect the salt at the bottom. So these have been used from generations. Some of them are over 100 kilograms.
find this place, Raimea Beach. It's on the, northeast coast of Sabu. Doesn't look like it. There's a nice, up there there's a nice ground with grass and you can camp there, it's beautiful. And then you come down the path and you get this beautiful beach. This is amazing. I absolutely must come back with my motorbike and explore Sabu Island. This is a great first taste of it, but I'm definitely going to come back.
The traditional village, Kampung Adat Kujiratu. Kujiratu. It's a traditional village. We're going to check that out. And you can't come in here with your friends. It's one after the other. So it's probably made so that enemies cannot attack. They have to come in one at a time, and then you knock them on the head when they're through. This is pepper, wild pepper. Here is drying tobacco. They cut it themselves and dry it themselves. So this is the kitchen and outdoor kitchen, and then they've got the main house where they live pretty much. So these here are graves, and they're circular like that, and they lay people down in the fetal position. And the idea is at the end of your life, you basically go back to where you come from, basically. This is inside. Oh yeah. This is inside the traditional house. I don't think I could live in a house like that because my back would not survive. But no. The lady that showed me our house says the house was there for generations, grandparents. So the structures are very solid, very hard wood. All right, let's get out of here. Mananga, Pantai Mananga. They still have these shells there where they get they make salt from. This beach is lovely. Look at the white sand. Come on, go. Come on. There you go. The little white one's going. Orange, you're stuck. You're trying to cheat. Wrong way. And the little white one wins. Klabamaja. Very slippery, very likely. This is the formation right there. Even the goats think it's too wet to go out. Look at all the goats, so slippery. Look at this. Yes. And here we go. Wow, amazing sights. Ho, 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 ho. Now. I'm singing in the rain. I'm dancing in the rain. Look at this. Gorgeous. Look at this. All right, I've just had a bit of food, so I feel ready to go down the stairs. Let's go see what that beach looks like from the bottom. Okay, there you go. Tangawisata. Huh? Let's go and have a look, whatever. Ooh, strange steps. All right. We're now entering the traditional village of Namata. Some of these stones have been here for over 4,000 years. These stones have a ritual purpose in this village. Every stone represents a different aspect of society. Whenever it is a problem among villagers, if it's between neighbors, they discuss it over one of these stones. Some of them might have to do whether they want to wage war with another village. And then let's discuss it over one of these stones. Every stone has a specific purpose. Well, I guess this is it for our little adventure in Sabu. We're heading back to Surabaya, and then we'll continue with our Christmas holiday with another surprise. We'll be going on a little trip somewhere else. All right? I hope you enjoyed this little thing, even though it was not on motorcycle. And if you enjoyed it, please don't forget to like and subscribe and write me a comment, okay? And I do hope to meet you guys out on the road. And until we do, like they say around here, sampai jumpa lagi.